Nerve specialist Dr. David Liebetanz works at Humboldt's old university in Göttingen. He is prepared to try some similar self-experimentation.
To begin with, I've placed 2 electrodes on a group of muscles, and now I will pass some current through it.
Von Humboldt's goal was to establish whether animal electricity was the life force that animated the human machine.
You can see how the hand, and particularly the 2 fingers, I can't open them anymore. I can't stretch my fingers anymore.
David's muscles are contracting due to carefully controlled electric shocks. In von Humboldt's time, this was all a lot more rudimentary.
He tried to trigger big movements in his back muscles by applying electricity, which also ultimately led to self-induced burns, big wounds, which then became inflamed. Even this didn't stop him. He also tried to use these wounds to feed the electricity directly into the muscles. So these were definitely life-threatening experiments.
To recapture some of the madness and novelty of his electrical work 200 years ago, David has devised an experiment, adapting his machine to respond to music. Von Humboldt performed 4,000 experiments with electricity.
Blimey, that was exhausting. I'm glad that's over. It quickly led to people believing you could animate not just muscles, but also whole animals or even human beings by applying electricity to the body.
Other experimenters agreed. This seemed to be evidence of a link between matter and spirit. They tried to use electricity to bring the dead back to life, and failed. However hard they tried, they couldn't impart life to flesh and blood. The promise of animal electricity proved to be a false dawn for vitalists. The search for the secret of life would need a whole new approach to science.